There, Banawa is authentic Indian food in an affordable price. This mango lassi, which is a variant from, I really like their chicken fried rice, chicken biryani, so why not, diba? Chocolate samo, their veggie burger. Today, Hyderabad Dine-In officially opens to the public for a dine-in. And aside from Banilad branch, they now officially opens their Banawa branch. It is located along R. Duterte Street, or for reference, it is right across Autogas. And in the new normal, it is not only the establishment's responsibility, but it is also our responsibility to protect ourselves as well as to protect others. So please do follow the protocols correctly. Hyderabad is known for their delicious, authentic, and value-for-money Indian foods. Yes guys, authentic Indian food in an affordable price. Here, your Hyderabad Indian cuisine cravings will definitely be satisfied. It's like they have everything here, from masala, to biryani, to paneer, to curry, to samosa, and even to roti. And they have some twist too in which really interest me and giganahan sagko. Like this mango lassi, which is a variant from their sweet lassi, is a must try here. And in an Indian cuisine, rice is life. So, I really like their chicken fried rice. Why not? Nya parisan pag yun nato sa special chicken biryani. So, why not, diba? Carbs on carbs, but trust me, this type of rice is worth the carbs. Plus, chili paneer and veggie samosa, perfect na yun dayon. And they have this new addition, chocolate samosa.
Samosa, actually, it was idea of my sir. And then one day he came to me and asking me, Chef, it's okay that we will try chocolate samosa. Then I just said, okay. Then we made it our own chocolate with dry almonds powder. And then we tried it. It's worked out and it's delicious.
Now they are also introducing their veggie burger.
Veggie burger, we have many vegetarians, so they will keep asking me to make something new for snacks or full meal. So I made it for veg burger with a lot of veggies. Came from the potato, others veg, and Indian dal. So we cooked it and made it, and we blended it and made it. So we just made it veg burger.
So now you have more reasons in visiting Hyderabad Dine-In in Banilad and in Banawa. But then again guys, don't forget to brush your teeth after eating and to follow me in all my social media accounts, and let us continue to stay safe, stay healthy, and just keep smiling. Bye-bye!